Do you feel nervous when you receive a call in English? Does your mind go blank when someone says hello on the phone? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say on the phone in English. If you are someone who can speak basic English but struggles to speak confidently on the phone, this video is for you. How to receive a call in English. When someone calls you, here's what you can say. Basic phrases. 1. Hello, this is Ria. 2. Good morning, how may I help you? 3. Who's calling, please? Use this when you don't know who is calling. 4. Can I ask who's speaking? Of 1 moment, please. Let me check. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. How to make a call in English. 2. When you are calling someone, start the call politely. 1. Hello, may I speak to Niraj, please? 2. Hi, this is Ria. I'm calling regarding my interview schedule. 3. Is it a good time to talk? Always polite to ask. 4. I'm calling to ask about the delivery status. Start with a smile. It helps you sound warm and confident. 3. When you don't understand. It's okay to ask for repetition. Use these polite phrases. 1. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please? 2. Could you please speak more slowly? 3. Sorry, the line is unclear. Can you say that again? 4. Can you spell that for me? Useful for names, email addresses, etc. Don't panic. Asking questions shows you care about understanding properly. 5. Taking or leaving a message. Taking a message. 1. Can I take a message? 2. Would you like to leave a message? 3. Can I let them know you called? Leaving a message. 1. Please tell him/her that Ria called. 2. Could you ask him/her to call me back? 3. My number is your number. How to end a call politely. It was great talking to you. 2. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. 3. I'll get back to you soon. 4. Talk to you later. Bye. Ending politely leaves a good impression. Quick vocabulary English word meaning use, hang up to end the call, pick up to answer the call, hold on, wait for a moment, get through successfully, connect on call, call back, return the call later, cut off when the call disconnects suddenly.
Practice time 1. Hello, who's speaking? 2. Can I speak to Ria, please? 3. This is Rahul speaking. 4. May I know who's calling? 5. Hold on a second, please. 6. Just a moment. I'll get her. 7. The line is busy. 8. Sorry, the number is not reachable. 9. You've got the wrong number. 10. I'll call you back later. 11. Can you hear me clearly? 12. Your voice is breaking. 13. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 14. Could you repeat that, please? 15. Can you speak a little slower? 16. I'm calling about the job interview. 17. I'll check and get back to you. 18. Would you like to leave a message? 19. Please tell him I called. 20. I'll let him know. 21. Thank you for calling. 22. It was nice talking to you. 23. Take care. Bye. 24. Let me save your number. 25. I'll text you the details. 26. Sorry, I was in a meeting. 27. Please call me when you're free. 28. I couldn't answer your call. 29. Let's talk on video call. 30. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Now you know how to talk on the phone in English, step by step. Remember, speaking confidently comes with practice. So try speaking English on calls, even if you make small mistakes. That's how you improve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.